Have you ever wondered, why do humans need oxygen to breathe, but fish can live entirely underwater without coming up for air? Does water contain oxygen? If so, how do fish absorb it? Today, we're going to uncover the secret behind the incredible breathing ability of fish. Air versus water. Which has more oxygen? First, let's talk about oxygen, a vital element for life. The air we breathe contains about 21% oxygen. But what about water? Oxygen in water exists in the form of dissolved gas, but the amount is very low, only about 1% or even less. That means water does contain oxygen, but in a much smaller quantity. So how do fish survive? The answer lies in a special organ that only fish have: gills. The secret lies in fish gills. Unlike humans who use lungs to breathe, fish have a highly efficient respiratory system for underwater breathing: their gills. Gills are thin membranes with millions of tiny blood vessels. They act like a filter, allowing fish to extract oxygen from water. How do fish gills work? When a fish opens its mouth, water flows in and passes over the gills. Inside the gills, dissolved oxygen in the water diffuses into the fish's bloodstream. At the same time, carbon dioxide from the fish's blood is released into the water. One fascinating feature of fish gills is countercurrent exchange. The fish's blood flows in the opposite direction of the water passing through the gills. This allows fish to absorb oxygen more efficiently, even when oxygen levels in the water are very low. Thanks to this system, fish can breathe continuously without needing to surface for air. Can fish drown? It may sound strange, but fish can suffocate if there isn't enough oxygen in the water. Here are some reasons why fish might struggle to breathe. Polluted water. Contaminants reduce the amount of dissolved oxygen. High temperatures. Warm water holds less oxygen than cold water. Still water. When there is no water movement, fresh oxygen cannot enter. Interestingly, not all fish breathe with gills. Some species, like whales and dolphins, are actually mammals. They have lungs and must surface to breathe air. Are there fish that breathe with lungs? Some super survivalist fish can breathe both in water and on land. Sounds like a superhero power, right? The lungfish is a great example. When water lacks oxygen, it can breathe air directly to survive. Other species, such as snakehead fish and climbing perch, can also extract oxygen from the air, allowing them to survive even in shallow or muddy waters. These are the masters of survival, capable of crawling from one pond to another without needing water. So, we've uncovered the mystery. Why can fish breathe underwater? The key lies in gills, a special organ that enables fish to extract oxygen from water and survive in an environment where humans cannot. But don't be fooled, they're not invincible. If the water lacks oxygen or gets too polluted, even fish can run out of air. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep exploring the wonders of science.